Alright, I guess I gotta vlog a little bit too. Finally made it to Austin.
What's up?
Here we go. Beginning of a long trip.
Finally gonna eat some delicious food.
Reverse flow. So what do you say we load this up in my truck and I take it home, Brad?
I mean, that's kind of what I was thinking.
Can I open it?
Yeah, go for it.
Alright folks, dinner time.
We're taking a look at Chili's baby back ribs. I've heard nothing but musical things. So, this video is brought to you by Audible.
Alright, here we go.
Wow.
And so the polarized lens.
Just look at it, folks. I mean, come on.
This is the top of the mountain.
I just put out a video all about how much I hate cutting baby back ribs.
Yep.
Oh, great. There's not even anything on the board. We'll just pile it.
There you go.
I got to chop beef.
There you go.
I got to chop pork rib. I'm quitting barbecue. It's the best rib I've ever had in my life.
I'm telling you, it's good, man.
There's no smoke, but I mean,
It's not what I'm looking for.
place.
It's good stuff.
Honestly, I was expecting it to be much worse. Chili's,
It's good.
I'm sorry I doubted you. I need to take some plating and inspiration from Chili's. It's molten!
It's fucking molten, see? It's fucking molten, you asshole!
Here we go, here we go.
Spank it, Daddy. Oh, look slightly to the side. There it is. That's the Yoder stamp of approval.
Really do a party, look at him. We can buy the bar.
This is what happens when you eat
I can show you what it's
Hey, good morning, everyone. So this is day 2 of this entire long trip where we're going to be going through Austin to Dallas and Kansas City with that pit that Jeremy is dragging around, and we're going to give away. So as you guys saw yesterday, we didn't really do much. We just kind of got into town, got some lunch, met up with Brad, went to Chili's, had a great time there. First thing that we got to do is we got to get that 1,000-gallon out of this Airbnb because it's all the way out in Driftwood right now, and it's not really convenient for us to lug around. So yeah, we're gonna get to that.
It's been raining the whole time we were here, and it's muddy now.
Yeah, it's not ideal.
Yeah.
Correct. This is the glamorous part of barbecue that you don't often see.
Here's that 1,000-gallon that we're gonna be giving away. How you were able to get that out there, I have no idea. Good job.
Yeah, turning in was way harder.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was like, it seems a little bit easier because you can see, but there's no way you were able to see anything when you brought that in. Since we're in Driftwood, we're gonna just make a quick pit stop. To,
Why not?
Salt Lake.
Why would we not?
I've actually never been here, so this is gonna be.
This is perfect.
Nice. This place is huge, dude. This place is huge.
It's like a barbecue complex.
Oh my god.
Need to get a hold of stuff.
Yeah, so a server will come to y'all's table and take your order. Server will come to y'all's table here.
Today was the first. You know what it tastes like? It kind of tastes like Italian dressing.
Yeah, it does. It really does.
That Italian dressing.
It's tangy, but then there's a fair amount of sugar in there.
Yeah. Let's try this spice.
Joseph, are you?
Oh, later on.
Yep.
A little late spice to it.
I might should wait on that one. Until I get
I like. I think I like the original better, but there's a fair amount of oil in that one for sure.
Sausage, half a pound of pork ribs, and some coleslaw on the side.
Ooh, Eric is most excited about the bread.
Yeah.
Got it.
So, little try. Smells smoke for sure.
I can smell it from here.
Yep. It's nice and tender, but they're definitely using more in the rub than just salt and pepper. So this is good.
I want the roll. I didn't get to take a picture of it.
Good call.
Pickle spears and just a hunk of onion. I love it.
As you can see, they're definitely using the full spare. I want to see this side. It looks like it's probably about the appropriate tenderness, though. It almost smells like it's been grilled.
They throw it on that grill afterwards, and they throw that sauce. They melt the sauce on top.
Oh, is that what? Joe, I'm gonna steal a little bit of your slaw. Go for it, man. A little bit.
I actually might not have that sauce.
There we go. Yeah, and then you gotta squish it down or else you'll never be able to eat it. That's actually quite good.
I do like the rub on the brisket.
Picture of ribs.
See, I like to enjoy the bread alone. Like, just the bread.
The slaw on there is actually so nice.
Good.
And a reasonable amount here. Yeah. Good rib. Alright. Different flavor, different texture. This is like what I'm used to growing up eating, if anyone did spare ribs.
Versus chili.
We got a half and half cobbler and blackberry.
Yep.
Yeah.
Which I love both.
Yeah, that sounds amazing.
Alright. We're gonna make a huge mess. I apologize to the establishment.
Is it good?
That was blackberry, and that was great. Ooh. I like the peach even better. They're both good, man. The peach is smoother. That one's a little more tart, so you have I could probably eat more of this one, but yeah, agreed. Get the cobbler, it's good.
What's up, Joe Yim?
The shop.
Welcome back, buddy. It's been a couple weeks.
Yeah, it's been a couple of weeks. Few more fits than last time we were here.
Hey guys, welcome to Texas BBQ. I'm Jeremy Yoder, and I'm here with Evan Leroy from
You've got to clean your weenies, folks.
Oh yeah.
Good, man.
Oh, they look so good.
That looks really good.